Hey guys, we're gonna do another unboxing. Got me a package from one of the Facebook group guys. And we're gonna open this up because the sun is setting. So I have to be a little bit quick here because I'm a little bit late. And I don't want to, have the sun setting and then we don't see nothing anymore. All right, so got me a couple of bricks. Oh my God. That's one big brick. Okay, let's start with this one. So you go away. Tablet goes. Oh shit, I forgot. All right, let's put it here. I need the tablet position like this. All right. It's not that good. Ah, here we go. All right. So you already can see we have a classic The Defenders. The Defenders. All right. Nice. So we start here. Yeah. Tales of the Legion of Superheroes. Legionnaire will die. Who can it be? I don't know. Ooh, another Madame Mirage with the Kenneth Rocafort's art. It seems that the floppies are hard to get somehow. I got me a Wrath of the Spectre. Look at this. Looks in really good condition. This is 1 of 4. It's a miniseries. You know what? We're gonna open this up. Look at this. What is this? I haven't seen this before. This kind of. Oh, wait a minute, how does this work? All right, I have to do some surgical cutting, I guess. All right, so here it comes. Oh my, this is new. Look at this, no spine ticks. Wow. Impressive. Jim Aparo is the artist. No, it's Russell Carley. The cover is from Jim Aparo. Oh, okay. But the opening already is good. So is this the origin of how the Spectre came to be? Maybe. Or not? Oh. But it looks like Aparo's work a little bit here. Right? Am I crazy? Art continuity. Ah, Jim Aparo. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. This looks so cool. Man, I miss this kind of creepiness in art. It's cool. Oh man, probably very hard to get the other books as well. I mean, this is a 4-issue miniseries, right? Let me check if this is a definite ending. Well, yeah, okay, we can do a review. That's nice. Okay, let me put this back into this very special. Like I said, I haven't seen this before. Very hard plastic. Interesting. Let me put this back. Then we have a new Transformers, number 3, that we're going to review. We have a new Sacrifiers that I have to still look into it. The art is very, very good. Got me an All-Star Squadron. Do I have this? I believe I have this, but I'm not sure. This must be a mistake. I'm 100% sure I have this. Wait a minute. Okay, I have to take a look at that. Another The Defenders with Rhino and Solar, I guess. I believe this is Solar. What's this? Oh, wait, is that the Cobalt Man? This must be Cobalt Man, right? Yeah. Got me an Dr. Fate. Yeah, I'm definitely sure this must be a mistake because other people claim this. I'm not the one. This has to be returned. Okay, so I got me an Edenwood issue number 2 that we're gonna take a look at pretty soon. I enjoyed the first one, but I was cautiously optimistic. X-Men Soul Scanner. Got me also a detective comic. More Batman. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. I got a lot of them. Ooh, this looks cool. Nice. Then we're gonna take a look at the big one. Look at the comics. And a Legion. How do I open this? Where's the opening? Okay, then we do it like this. Oh, it's here. All right. Let's start with the one below. Detective Comics, right? Library of Souls. Another Legion. We can take a look at this, right? Let me open a couple up. Bruce Patterson. Nice. Oh, look at this. Nah. Ads. All right. Yeah, this looks fun. All right, we can take a look at this a little bit later. So many of Legion books, man. I have no clue. Then we have Batman of the Legion of Superheroes. What's that helmet? Batman is here too. What is he doing? Is this in the present or is this in the future? Interesting. Another Batman and Superman of World's Finest Comics. Try to collect these. If I can get them. I got me another The Defenders. I said already got this, but he sent me as a freebie. I mean, the seller, I mean. So that's nice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna... Also, I'm a little bit lucky with the McFarlane Spider-Mans, which I only have the Dutch versions of. Justice League America. Hell yeah! 50th issue. Got me a Superman with Skyhooks. Just, I'm not sure if it was a vampire or whatever. Got me a Superman with Doomsday, you know, with all these crossovers. Got me also... this is the human Brainiac. There was, I believe, a magician, and Brainiac took over his body or something, and then he's been revealed as Brainiac. There was the part that he went to space, you know, for some soul searching, I guess. Radio Shack. What's this? Classic Superman. I mean, I really love the blues and the costume. Let's open this up. Come over here, please. Thank you very much. Let's put this away first. All right. Kara's classic costume. There's probably some innocent tale. What is this? This is a computer going haywire. Must be Microsoft. Yeah, well, we can maybe, if this is a one shot, maybe we can do some, a review about it if it's good. Just like I said, it doesn't always have to be action on my reviews. Although that's pretty much the most exciting comics that people want to see, I guess. All right. Definitely Jim Aparo's work. Does it says here anywhere? I'm 100% sure this is. Oh, he's right. But is it also his artwork? That is something I want to know. So let's open this up. I'm gonna show you a couple of books, right? Because it's an unboxing after all. Jim Aparo, where are you? Yeah, this is his work. You can see it in his faces. This is some train murder mystery that Batman needs to solve with. Oh no, he's been held hostage because the Americans took the natives' land. I'm not sure. I just make stuff up. More ads. Holy shit, it's a lot of ads. How can Batman be rescued? Oh no, he's already rescued. I mean, I'm not going to show everything. It's so nice to do these old classic reviews, you know. That's because I want to show people how was it back in the day. Also got me a Batman Dark City, Dark Knight with the Mike Mignola cover. And, of course, Superboy, and the Legion of Superheroes. Yeah, I got also the Dutch version. It's nice that I got the originals. Pretty cool. I love it. Got me an Adventures of Superman because, Marv Wolf and Jerry Ordway, always cool. So much going on in this page, man. Look at this. I love it. I miss these two, Kessel and Gromit. They were a great duo together. Another Adventures of Superman, part 2 of 3. Against Doomsday. So this is a classic. You all know this one, right? And then the last one of the action of the crossover. Well, this is cape and this costume is a little bit darker than I normally see. Also another classic with Maxima, another great character of the DC universe. Is this George Paris? Does it say anywhere? Yeah, see? I know his work from a mile away. Got me a couple of Justice League of America. Hell yeah. Yeah. Nice. Reflecto. Oh man, I remember this one. Nice. I like this cover, man. This is a seller. I mean, this is what you need on the shelves on your local comic book store, right? Right? I mean, if you want to see this, you want to buy it. That's how it is. Also got me a Superboy with the yellow pearl. Probably like a Superboy comics back in the day was more like those innocent, fun storytelling, right? But we're gonna open this up. Yeah, the Superboys was not really that serious. The seriousness comes a little bit later, you know. Now, pretty good condition, I must say. Brian Bolland cover. I hope the interiors is also nice. Let's hope so. Hell yeah, I already know it. I already like this. Lettering of the balloons are very small. Look at this, chaos, mayhem, war. Isn't this great? Yeah, America. Where's the toad? Oh, is this the toad maybe? Man, this is so cool. With all the lighting and the shading and all this stuff, so cool. Was this Castle Grayskull? Are there magicians and wizards in Cursed Earth? Oh no, he's been stabbed. What's going on? Probably on the last issue. No. Yeah, I don't want to spoil everything. Okay, let's leave that for now. Oh, Nemesis the Warlock. That's a long time ago. Okay, let me put this back in the bag. Yeah, it's getting a little bit darker. I can see it. All right. I got me a nice one here. Well, not this one. This is Edenwood issue number 3. You know, I reviewed the first one. And Man of Steel with, who are those? Who's those guys? Stormy weather. I don't know, but we're gonna take a look at it as always. So the last two is this is my first Crow comic. So this is the female Crow. I believe that was the only time there was a female Crow. I have zero knowledge about the comics. I have seen the movie, I have seen the TV series, long back in the day, and that's about it. So I looked up some reviews. There was some mixed reception. Some people really love it. Oh, this feels really nice. Other ones not so much. From the art, the art looks really good, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. It's all black and white, by the way. So I'm gonna flip through it a little bit here. The atmosphere is great if I see it. So I believe it's some woman that died and the bad guys kidnapped her daughters or killed her family or something. So it's more like a revenge thing, I guess. That's not bad. Wait a minute. Is this the cover? Oh no. I like this. I like this a lot. Look at this flowing of the hair in the wind. It's nice. It's really nice. Cool. Very cool. I like it. So hopefully the story is great too. Pretty nice. Then we have one to go, and the seller told me that this trade paperback that I have is out of print. So that makes it a little bit special. Not that I really do care if it's out of print or not, just I want to have it. That's my philosophy. If I see it, I want to have it. It doesn't matter if there is millions on the market or zero. Or, well, that doesn't make any sense. Or just a couple. And that's the Predator versus Judge Dredd by Matt Wagner and Alcatena. I couldn't get the floppies. But oh boy, it does already look freaking fantastic. Do we see the cover? Wait a minute. It's slippery. No, not really, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is what you want to see. This is what comics should be. Not this modern dribble with the scratchy art and Tumblr art and Photoshop guy butchering everything that is on a page. No, this is what you want. Muted colors, great clean art, backgrounds, a lot of things on screen. This is what draws people in. Oh man. Yeah. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. This is going to be epic. It's going to be epic, guys. I know it. Judge Anderson is here too. War droids. Oh no! He's going to get it. Oh, he's dead. Man, I want to show everything, but I'm not going to do that. No, shit, you already saw it. Okay, but that's probably not the end. Yeah, this is great. I'm so happy I got this. Pretty good condition. So guys, let me know what you think about this. This comics, this great stuff that I have. Do you read it? Tell me about The Crow, by the way. I want to know more. Maybe I'll try to get the other books as well. And then we'll see how it goes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.